This game is helicopter attack and defend. In this game, the objective is for the attacking team to touch the flag in the middle of the defending team's base. They have an interesting choice from the start, shown on the map by the green circle. They can either go via the woods directly at the objective, but if shot out they have a longer walk to the green respawn, or they have the option to move around to the green respawn and come in via the front door. However, that is typically more defended, especially towards the end of the game. Unlimited respawns, and this is a 15-minute game.
Put them safeties off, get yourselves in position.
Shit.
Yay! First kill.
Sorry, matey.
Was playing like a bit of a newbie here. I should have had my gun up at all times. Never mind.
Yeah, nice one. Cheers, mate. Your knee, Johnny.
Kinda my own fault for not keeping an eye on that right hand side. Johnny snuck up and nearly blindsided me.
Johnny, don't stick your knee out, mate.
But then he stuck his knee out, so I shot it. I wasn't out at this point, but I recognised that the right hand side I had no defence or cover against, so I literally pegged it back to the respawn still alive to have another bash. Not sure where the shot came from, but it was a good shot nonetheless.
Yeah.
I suspected it was that left hand side, so I thought while I'm at the respawn I'll have a good look to see what's going on over there. At this point I'm thinking that they've got the forest area, and the moment you respawn you're possibly going to get shot unless you're in cover.
Run! Shit.
That barricade had no cover from the right hand side.
Whew.
I actually thought that hit on the left hand side was from a previous kill, but to be perfectly honest I think it might have been out when I moved to that barricade. Oops.
Watch the left side! Yep.
Walking into open play is painful.
Fuck. There's a run at the helicopter!
At this point I'd made a bit of a tactical mistake. I'd seen the runner at the helicopter, yet I didn't actually go and do something about it. Fell.
Go on, Johnny, stick your head out again.
Thought I'd knock on his barricade once or twice, just to let him know that I'm still there, watching, waiting.
Yeah. Cheers, mate. Oh, Ian.
So the runner I'd spotted earlier on was actually Ian Atkins being sneaky, the little devil. Hope you enjoyed watching. That was actually quite an enjoyable game with some good players. New videos are going to be released every week depending on other commitments such as things like work, life, learning, that old one, sleeping. So subscribe if you're interested in notifications on new videos. If you're interested in trying out Paintball, I do encourage you to have a day session, see if you enjoy it before investing in kit. I'll see you on the field.